My Lord, show me how you give life to the dead. Rabbi, arini kayfa tuahyi al-mawta.
Do you not believe, O Ibrahim?
Yes, my Lord, I believe, but only that my heart may find peace. Bala, walakin liyatma'inna qalbi.
Then take 4 birds, tame them to yourself. Then place a part of them on every hill around you. Then call them, and they will come flying to you in haste. ثُمَّ أُدْءُهُنَّ يَعَأْتِينَنْكَ سَعَيًّا. And know that Allah is Almighty, All-Wise. وَعَلَمْ أَنَّ اللَّهَ عَزِيزٌ حَكِيمٌ.
So he placed parts of them upon every hill.
ثم أجعل على كل جبل منهن جزءا.
He took them, cut them into parts, and plated each portion upon the hills. ثُمَّ أَجْعَلْ عَلَى كُلِّ جَبَلٍ مِّنْهُنَّ جُزْءًا.
Then he stood, awaiting the command of his Lord, his heart steadfast.
Then he called them, and by the will of Allah, they came swiftly to him. ثُمَّ أُدْعُهُنَّ يَعَاتِينَكَ سَعَيًّا. The scattered parts of the birds began to rejoin, each piece finding its place by the command of Allah. Then the birds were restored, each whole and alive, by the power of Allah. And they came flying swiftly back to him, as Allah had commanded.
The birds landed before him, whole and alive, a clear sign from his Lord.
And thus did Allah show Ibrahim his power, so that his heart was at rest.
Indeed, Allah is Almighty, All-Wise, and He gives life to whom He wills. Inna Allah